I've got here a BlackMagic Design DaVinci Resolve Speed Editor, and I've been using that. I got it a few weeks ago. I've been using it with the BlackMagic DaVinci Resolve, which is a really good editor. And this is a really good piece of hardware to do your editing on. It gives you a nice knob and lots of buttons to press, which is a lot easier than clicking around with a mouse. Anyway, I've just come to make a video today, and it doesn't work. But basically, the whole thing seems completely dead. So I don't know why. I'm just going to plug it in, and I'll show you what's what. And if we come to the computer, I've got a terminal open. If I type lsusb, which is a command in, not that one, lsusb, which is a command in Linux to give you a list of USB devices that are connected, I press return and it shows up what devices we've got. We've got 3 hubs connected, a barcode scanner, which is actually a keyboard adapter, and a mouse, Microsoft mouse. There ought to be there somewhere a DaVinci Resolve Speed Editor, but there isn't. So if I go into the menu and other, and go in control panels, it says no DaVinci control panels found. If we load DaVinci Resolve up, we can double click on a video, but you can see nothing's actually lit up. Those buttons ought to do something. If I select a video on the screen, if I use the knob, it should do something, and it doesn't. And the reason for that is that basically the computer can't see it. Right, well, those video clips which you've just seen were taken over a month ago. I sent it back to the supplier CVP, who received it on the 3rd of October, and they said they've found the fault on the 4th. They said the fault was recreated. Then they RMA'd it and sent it back. And here they've actually said that BlackMagic said that although CVP were able to replicate the fault, BlackMagic have said it works fine. That seems a bit odd that it would work fine for BlackMagic, but not for me and not for CVP. So I've said to them, will you test it before sending it on to me, just to make absolutely certain? And they said yes, they will, and they've said it's still faulty, and they've asked for an RMA to send it back. And come the 26th, I asked for an update, and they say there's still not heard from them. So that was on the 26th of October, and it's now the 2nd of November. So yeah, I don't know how long this is going to take. I had the product working for just over a week. Then I think I didn't use it for a fortnight, and then it completely conked out. So I've had it working maybe a week or two, and now it's been in for repair for a good month. And CVP seemed quite proactive, but not BlackMagic. So I'm just hoping that I will get it back at some point in the near future, and I hope I'm not going to have to give anyone a kick up the backside. Although after waiting a good month, I think I probably will have to give someone a kick up the backside.